Yeah, hi ladies and gents, this is Irene, seriously scrapping, and I just want to share this latest little project that I made, and that's up for sale in my Zippet store. So it's a little bag basically decorated with an envelope, and there's we'll start off. So it comes in wrapped in this beautiful lace. Here, there's about a yard of that. It's very pretty lace. And so this is the bag, and it's been inked all around, and a bit of this tissue paper that I've got on there, some washi, dress paper, S for seriously scrapping, what are they called? Can't remember. Those stamp thingies, not stamps. A seal. Okay. Yep. And that's wax seal as well. I dripped it on the paper. And bit of material from some lace. Here it is under there. And I scrunched up the dress paper, pattern paper, and that stuck on really nicely, that vintage button with that wax stuff. Seam binding. It is a beautiful button. I don't know if you can see, it's pearlized, and it's got little dents it's kind of hidden a little bit by this cute little embellishment. And yeah, just a bridal applique and this lovely dusty rose trim. And this comes as white lace that I sell in my store, but I think I coffee dyed it or tea dyed it. Yeah, a cute little butterfly. And what I like is when I'll take these out, and so when you take that out, you can see this beautiful vintage English trim along here. So pretty. And yeah, I just coffee dyed it. Not coffee dyed. I think I used to use those ones. Yeah, so in this one you will get one of these, and you will get a page created by me, a grunge page with the scrunched edges that have been painted and scrunched, coffee dyed and sprayed with Lindy's Stamp Gang. Beautiful sprays. You can see there. I think it's a combination. That's Lindy's Stamp Gang, and along with the paint and the colour blend. No, they're all Lindy's. Yep, so you get that for your journal. And you will get a couple of sleeves, CD sleeves, and a couple of these letter writing bills, and you'll get these cut by cardboard, vintage wallpaper. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that damask pearl. Oh, that's very old too. You can see the back there. So it's raised, so you can use that side or that side. And there is a Edith Holden page for you. Very pretty. And this is from the mid-30s. Look at that beautiful aged paper. So pretty. So yeah. There's two of these, so two of those, one of those. And the envelope. So double wrapped with this twine. This is a fussy cutted fabric image. And again, I've put the same tissue paper, and on the back it's got my S, seriously scrapping in the gold this time. This was a combination of like a coral and a gold, so here I just left it gold. There's a seam binding and a bit of inking and the bow, and there's an image in here of a beautiful little girl, and you can use her or leave her in there. There's another page from the 30s, vintage, beautiful, very delicate and lovely. Cat came back, and mine did came back. I had a cat that went missing for 3 weeks, and I thought, no, she's not coming back. But the cat came back. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. What's it? Some words to this. Darwin, old Mr. Johnson, he had a trouble of his own. He had an old yellow cat. Little boy took the cat away, got a dollar note, took it down to the river in a wild cat lay asleep in an arrest in one day. The cat came organ grinder and it wouldn't leave its home. It tried everything, singing it to Wow. Sorry about that. So, a couple of guest checks. And time cards. A couple of time cards. And this is a beautiful old vintage envelope. Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. So pretty. And inside that, you will get, now you can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. These beautiful tiny little tags that you can tea dye for 5 or leave as they are, and these beautiful little images, and these ones, and this one that went in the envelope. So yeah, so these are in my store. I'll put the link below, and yeah, there's a 10% off sale currently. So there's one of these left, so if I get more orders, the second person that orders, obviously you have to wait maybe a few days for me to make these. I will put them in last. There we go. I just put that in. I was going to glue it, but I thought, no, I'll leave it up to the person. Maybe they don't want to glue it. So, yeah. And this envelope, I didn't coffee dyed it. It's actually that colour. So that's awesome. And so it's the bag, so they looked really cute together. Yeah. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll put the link below to my store. Thank you. Bye.